In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money from your bank account to Binance. By following this guide, you will be able to successfully transfer funds and manage your cryptocurrency investments more effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet section, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. After opening this section, select the deposit option to proceed with your transaction. When prompted, choose Fiat as the deposit type. It is essential to select your local currency carefully to ensure a smooth transaction. Based on your region, Binance will display available bank transfer methods. Before continuing, verify that your account is fully verified to avoid any deposit limits that could hinder your transfer process. Next, select bank transfer as your preferred payment method. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Binance account. Carefully review the bank details provided by Binance, as accuracy is crucial. Make sure to use your own bank account for this transfer and follow any reference or memo instructions exactly as provided. Failing to do so may result in delays or complications with your deposit. After completing these steps, initiate the transfer from your bank. The processing time will depend on your bank's speed, which can vary. Once the transfer is complete, navigate to the transaction history section on Binance to check the status of your deposits. It may take some time for the funds to reflect in your account, so be patient during this period. Finally, refresh your wallet balance after a reasonable wait to confirm that the deposit has been credited. If necessary, save any confirmation details provided by your bank for future reference. Should your funds not arrive within the expected time frame, contact Binance support for assistance. This ensures you can resolve any issues promptly and maintain access to your funds. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.